Welcome to Starsnip Gossip. David Burke, known publicly as D4VD, is officially charged with first-degree murder for the death of 14-year-old Celeste Rivas Hernandez. And right from the start, prosecutors are not treating this as a simple or isolated incident. They are alleging that this case involves deeper underlying conduct and that Celeste may not have been just a victim, but also a potential witness in a separate alleged situation involving abuse. That detail is important because it's one of the central claims shaping the prosecution's theory of motive. According to court filings and reporting, prosecutors suggest she could have had information that might have exposed alleged wrongdoing, and they argued that this is why she may have been targeted. Now, when we talk about the charges, this is where the case becomes extremely serious. David Burke is charged with first-degree murder, which under the law is one of the most severe homicide charges possible. And prosecutors are also pursuing what are called special circumstance allegations, including the claim that the killing involved a potential witness in another felony matter. If those special circumstances are proven at trial, the sentencing exposure increases dramatically. We are talking about potential outcomes that include life in prison without the possibility of parole, and in certain legal scenarios, depending on how the case is charged and prosecuted, it could even open the door to capital punishment eligibility under state law. David Burke has pleaded not guilty. The defense is denying the allegations and preparing to challenge the prosecution's version of events in full trial proceedings. So what we're looking at right now is not a concluded case. It's an active legal battle between two very different narratives. On one side, prosecutors are presenting a theory involving alleged abuse, a potential witness, and a motive tied to silencing that witness. On the other side, the defense will argue against those claims and attempt to dismantle the evidence in court. And until that trial happens, everything remains allegations. But what's clear is this: the seriousness of the charges has already pushed this case into a much higher legal category, because it's not just about who he is, it's about what is being alleged, what still needs to be proven, and what the final outcome could mean if even part of it holds up in court. And right now, this case is still only in the beginning phase. The trial hasn't even started, and the full truth is still to be tested in court.